There's a little known method that's working right now where you can sell non-exclusive beats for $500 to $3,500 without any content and without a YouTube channel. This is exactly what I use and how my students generated $1,850 in a single day here. Another student got a $750 day. And recently, one of my students got to $10,000 a month with the exact method that I'm gonna share in this video. So if you have 10 minutes of attention span to learn how you can produce full-time without posting a single piece of content or uploading a single video to YouTube, and pay attention because in this video, I'm gonna show you what to offer, the strategy, and how you can implement this for yourself. So at the end of the video, you can start using it right away to generate money online. And before we dive in, you're going to need to know how to find serious beat buying artists. And I'm going to give this away completely for free. And to get the free video course, just DM me the word Spotify on Instagram at Kobe Sample Source, and I'll send it over to you, no strings attached. Now let's hop back into the video. First, let's talk about what you should be offering. Most producers are in the wrong money model. They want to sell a monthly subscription, so they charge the artist $100 or $200 a month, give them 3 to 5 beats a month, and put a lot of restrictions on what the artist can get. The artist ultimately ends up being frustrated, deletes the subscription after 1, 2, or 3 months, and you offered all of your value that you'll ever offer to that artist, and they used it up in 90 days. Instead of doing this where ultimately the artist and you end up being disappointed, this is what to do instead. Offer an annual subscription and take off all of the strings so that they get all of the value and you get all the money. We give full access to our beat catalogs, give them unlimited licenses anytime they want. You can either give them access to it in a folder or you can send them individually and give them access to your site so that they can pick them out when they want. Give them access for 6 months, a year, 3 months. It doesn't really matter, but I typically like to use a year so that I can go and charge $1,000 or more. I even have a student that does lifetime access to this and sells it for $3,500. So the logic behind it is that you have a lifetime value of your customer. And if you think about it, how much does an artist really spend off of leases lifetime with you? It's usually under $500. So if you can get a sale of at least $500, why would you not give them all of the value? Because that's how much they're gonna get lifetime from you anyways before they skip on to the next producer. It's a little bit like ice cream flavors where you may be chocolate, another producer may be vanilla, but depending on how the artist is feeling, they may wanna switch flavors time to time and they may never come back to go and buy beats from you again, or it will be months and months or years and years. You don't own the artist, so you need to capitalize on when the attention is on you and they're interested in buying beats from you. This is why I choose the annual model, so they get so much value, it's impossible for them to say no, and you get so much money that it's impossible for you to be unsatisfied. So now that you know what to offer, you need to know the process. The first one is finding artists, which I'd use Spotify for. It's entirely free. And if you want that free course, then DM me Spotify on Instagram at Kobe Sample Source. I'll give that strategy away completely for free. I recommend finding 50 artists every single day. That's what Instagram allows you to do. You can DM up to 20 per hour without breaking any guidelines on Instagram. So 2.5 hours a day of DMing artists, and you should see 25% respond. That's around 12 to 13 responses a day. So you can dive into the messaging and simply ask them when the release schedule is, what kind of music they're looking for. And then if you produce that kind, you can simply say, hey, I produce that kind of music, not sure if you care or not. Then instead of sending beats to their email, invite them onto a call. Step 1 is finding serious artists. Step 2 is messaging them. Step 3 is doing calls, which is the only 3 skills you need to make money online and be a full-time producer. If you offer a $1,000 beat subscription in DMs, it's not gonna go over well. Anything over $350 from my experience of sending over 10,000 DMs has fallen completely flat. They usually don't want to purchase unless you're going and following up with them 10, 20 times. And by that time, you're burning all of your bridges, you're not building your brand, and you're probably not getting any sales either. So if you're stuck below 2,000 a month, it's because you're not adding in calls. If you do this and you're doing everything else correctly, including the calls, then you should be able to make $1,000 a week or more using this method. So with calls, I divide it into 2 parts. The first call is just discovering who they are, if they like you as a producer, and if they trust you or not. That way you can develop rapport and get to know them without the pressure of trying to sell them. This is an anti-sales call where they're waiting for you to pitch, but instead all you do at the end is invite them onto another call where you can preview beats and actually see if the production is a good fit for them or not. That way it builds a lot of trust very quickly in just 20 to 45 minutes. And on that second call, they're prepped and ready to actually invest their money into your beats. So the first call I like to do through Instagram audio, or you can go and get their number and just call them. Now that you have them onto the previewing session, I like to do that through Zoom. Or if you want to do it for free, you can do it through Google Meets instead. Doing this on video call allows you to do two different things. One is showing your face is going to be a bold move that allows you to get a lot more trust faster, communicate more effectively, and gives them less chance of ghosting you. Two, it allows you to share your screen, share your audio, go through your beat catalog and preview ideas you think that they would already like, that you've curated out and set to the side for them. At the end of this call, after you preview beats and you offer them full access to your catalog, you simply tell them it's $1,000, and then you're gonna use what I call AID to get them to buy. This is an acronym and it stands for agree, isolate, and double tie down. If they say, Kobe, that's too much money, or I can't afford it, or I'll have to wait until next Friday, then I'll simply say, sure, I definitely understand it's a lot of money. That's agree. Was it the beats that were the issue, or was it just the finance side? That's isolation. When they say it's just finances and the beats are perfect, that's when I move into step 3, which is the double tie down. Cool. Well, if we figure out the money side, can we move forward and get started? Something that works with their budget. So if they say yes to that, then you go and split it down to work with their budget, or you can spread it over time and do something that's called buy now, pay later. This is where you use Stripe.com. You flip on buy now, pay laters, which are Affirm, Afterpay, and Klarna. These only work in certain countries, so make sure it works in yours first. And once you flip these on, they can go and qualify to split this into a payment plan. It adds a little bit of interest, but usually this builds so much value for the artist, and it's so flexible that they're willing to do this. Make sure you explain things in clear terms and you don't try to trick someone into doing this. That's completely unethical. Once they agree to go and split it over time using buy now, pay later, what happens is they take out a loan through a third party and they get on a payment plan with them. The loan provider goes and gives them that money, and then it sends it directly to your bank account. So you get all of the money up front. This is how Eric got an $850 sale and how Dell cleared over $5,000 in 2 weeks using this exact method. So utilize this so that you can get more of them onto payment plans so they don't have to afford it all up front, but you get all of the money up front. So it's a win-win for the artist and for you and your business. Just keep in mind that the artist won't buy unless you meet the 3 Ps. You have to sell them on your person, sell them on your production, and sell them on the payoff. If the beats don't pay off for them in a certain way, then they're not gonna purchase them. It has to give them a certain benefit. So if you're not asking them questions to figure out what benefit it gives the artist, you're just throwing paint at the canvas and hoping that it turns out a masterpiece, but it could end up being an uglier situation because you don't know if you're adding value to the artist. So ask them questions to unlock value for them, and then offer them something in a way where it gives them the payoff because you mentioned how it's going to benefit them. So again, you're selling them on your person. They need to like, know, and trust you. You're selling them on your production. They need to be sure they can write and use your production to make songs with and be creative. And you're selling them on the payoff, which is how it benefits the artist. If you sell them on these 3 things, they're going to have certainty, and then you can pitch them on a price at $1,000 or more, and they're willing to pay it. So to recap, the offer is giving full access to unlimited licenses. The strategy is finding artists through outreach, messaging them, and then getting them onto the 2-call system, which I call the rapid sell system. If this was helpful in any way, shape, or form, subscribe to the channel. Go over to Instagram at Kobe Sample Source, DM me Spotify so I can get you that video that's gonna show you how to find serious artists. And I wanna give you a special invite if you're ready for one-on-one help to my mastermind called the High Ticket Producer. If you're a serious producer and you produce pop, R&B, or rock beats, there's a massive opportunity for you to make a lot of money fast instead of a little bit of money slow. If you want help implementing this strategy so that you can get the results for yourself, I only work with 4 producers a month, so if you want to apply, just go over to Instagram at Kobe Sample Source, DM me the word full-time, and then I'll reach out with more info on how I can help you go full-time as a producer. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if this was helpful. DM me the word Spotify on Instagram if you want the free course, and if you want one-on-one help, DM me the word full-time to get started. I'll see you in the next one.